Guys, welcome back to once again my channel, and I hope you're doing well and new latest handbags ideas and styling for girls and women's ideas. Most beautiful latest style ideas for girls, women's. Like bucket style handbags and handbag gift ideas. If you're looking for a gifting, consider gifting stylish handbags to a loved one. You can also explore personalized or handmade option. Research and discuss most popular handbags brand, their histories and signature style. You can also explore more affordable alternatives and learn how to pair different handbag styles and with the outfit to create stylish looks. For various essential, feel free to ask for more information or details or any of these ideas. Here are some ideas relate to handbags. And incorporate long French elements into your bag design for a boom and free look. Remember to choose a yarn texture and color that match the style you want to achieve, and do not hesitate to mix and match different ideas to create a unique crochet handbags that reflects your personality and taste. Happy crocheting. I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing, watching my video and see this video till the end.